Hey guys, so today we're making some Chinese style curry chicken, the Jamaican way, of course. So what I have here is some boneless chicken thighs that I have cut in some strips, washed with vinegar, and I am now going in to season my chicken with my Maggi chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. We just want to give that chicken a nice little mix to get the seasoning all over. We're going to add some vegetable oil to our pot and allow that to heat up a little bit before adding our chicken. What we're doing to the chicken now is caramelizing the chicken, or what we call browning the chicken, to give the chicken some color and also to bring that flavor out in the chicken. So we're going to add our chicken to the oil and allow that to caramelize a little bit. We're now going to add some minced garlic to our chicken. Let's now go in with our onions. I know you guys are wondering, when am I going to add the curry? But I'm going to add the curry just now. However, I made a curry paste. I made a curry paste consisting of curry powder and turmeric powder. Curry paste is basically curry and water mixed together to give that nice thick consistency. So I'm now going to go ahead and add that to my chicken. Doing this, guys, you will not need to make any gravy at all. The gravy will be just right and just perfect. Next, I'll be adding my Scotch bonnet pepper. I love my curry with a little spice. If you guys don't like the pepper, you can gauge it to however hot you want it to be. I'm then going to add my scallion and also some sweet peppers. Look at the color, and this is exactly the color we wanted it to be. It is so rich, so golden. It smells absolutely amazing, and the taste is even better. So here you have it, guys. This is my version of Chinese style curry chicken done the Jamaican way, and I guarantee you that you will definitely enjoy this curry chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Whitney's Kitchen Jamaica, and follow us on Instagram, Whitney's_kitchen_.